Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I really missed like my colorful wigs, so here's one. I went for pastel blue. I feel like I look just like that blue-haired Barbie right now. Anyways, my Boxycharm just came in the mail. Yesterday actually I kind of slacked off a little bit because there was a lot going on in the news. To be completely honest with you, I was really caught up in the news because of all the crazy stuff that's going on. Seriously, watching CNN and like Fox and MSNBC is more entertaining than watching like Homeland or House of Cards because, I don't know, it's just, turn it on, you'll see what I'm talking about. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox my Boxycharm. So this month, oh my god. Oh, okay, so wait, before I get into this box, I want to tell you guys that in last month's Boxycharm, I got the Boxycharm and Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. And then I got another one. So I'm giving this one away to someone that watches the tutorial that I did on this video. I'll link it down below once it's posted. But for now, just subscribe, turn on your notifications, and you can learn how to win this gorgeous palette right here. And the tutorial is on this eye look. It was a little bit rushed, I'm not gonna lie. But it was just like a really quick, like fun smoky eye, and I really got to see how the palette performed, and I was pleasantly surprised. So I'm excited for one of you guys to try it. It's a secret giveaway, so don't tell anyone. It's just for people that watch my videos. Okay, so let's go ahead and get back into this Boxycharm unboxing. The theme for this month is Boxycharm? Oh, it's like a little booklet now. This is so cute. So the theme is eye candy, which is perfect because you know how I am about eyes. I don't care about the rest of the face. It's all about the eyes for me. There's some good stuff in here, so let's go ahead and get right into it. We are opening up the box literally to 2 eyeshadow brushes from SL Miss Glam, and I love her brushes. They're so soft. I use them on myself all the time. Yes, these are adorable. They match my pastel look right now, and I'm really excited to try them. Up next, we have a brow gel. I'm trying to see what this is. The Instant Light Hair number 3 Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers. Okay, so since I forgot to do my brow gel today, let's just go ahead and see exactly how this performs. I love brow gels. One of my tricks to getting your brows to be really bushy, because mine are like super sparse, is to put on like a lash primer. I like to use this Lancome lash primer here. It's like a white primer. It goes on white, it dries clear, and I'll put it on my brows while I'm doing my lashes. And it dries clear, but it also builds like thickness. So I'll do that, and then I'll go over it with the brow gel. So this is what the applicator looks like. It's very light. Ooh. It is building my brows though, and it's kind of helping them look more realistic. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this side looks more hair-like than this side. It just looks like Sharpie tattoo. Let's just go ahead and blend out this side. I love this thing. I really hope you guys get this in your Boxycharm this month because this was really fun, and it's one of the better brow gels that I have in my collection. Moving right along. Oh my god, we get so spoiled. Okay. Dr. Brandt. This is vacuum cleaner. My camera can't decide what to focus on. Let's focus on the product. This is a mask for your pores. It says pore purifying mask. I'll let you guys know how this goes, but honestly, I love Dr. Brandt products. They all work amazing. Sometimes they work too good because I'm literally glowing after I use their products. So I'm really excited for this one. And this is the second full-size MAC product that I've gotten in my Boxycharm, which is so awesome. Like, they just give you what you want, and it makes me so happy. So this is a lip tensity lipstick. I hope it's a crazy color because I feel like this lip color is just not doing it for me. It looks pink in person, but on camera, I'm looking at the viewfinder and I can't even see my top lip. Oh, it's like a brown. Let's do it. Hold on. All right, let's do this brown color. I mean, I can see my top lip now, but it's going on a little bit patchy. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm not crazy about the color. It's definitely all over the place because I kind of rushed because I'm in the middle of a video. It's on now. I don't like it on me. I should have stuck with the pink, but here we are. The shade that I got was called Burnt Violet. So yeah. Let's go on to the last thing in my Boxycharm. It is element of surprise by ColourPop, and that was a surprise. I was not expecting to get another full-size palette 2 months in a row. Last month we got this Pure Cosmetics palette, this month we get the ColourPop. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what the shades look like. Ooh, so there's a lot of colors. It's a small palette, but we have like colors that are perfect for spring. I see this really nice pink one right here, which I love. This is a super cute palette, and I'll go ahead and do a side-by-side comparison of the palette that we got last month and the palette we got this month. To be honest, I think I like this one better, but this is still like a super cute palette, and for my more like natural days, like this is gonna be like my go-to because it just has like really nice soft natural colors and just the right amount of shimmers. Okay, so that was my Boxycharm for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so when I post the tutorial from the Pure Cosmetics palette, just watch it all the way to the end, and I announce the giveaway rules at the end on how you can win your own Pure Cosmetics and Boxycharm palette, which is so gorgeous. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to Boxycharm yet, go ahead and click the link below if you want to learn more about how you can get a monthly box full of full-size amazing makeup every month. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.